Hello students, welcome to Raj Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Today we are going to learn conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a joiner, a word that connects, conjoins parts of a sentence. A word connecting words, clauses or sentences. Conjunctions are joining words. They are also known as connecting words. They join words or group of words or short sentences. The words and, but, or, because, and, if are conjunctions or connecting words. Let us learn some conjunctions. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. And joins together. Dog is a faithful animal. Dog is a clever animal. Here, if you want to join these two sentences, we have to use word and. Dog is a faithful and clever animal. Next example. Tom loves to play cricket. Another example. Tom loves to play football. Here, word and is used to join the sentences. Tom loves to play cricket and football. Next example. Joseph ate a hot dog. Joseph ate French fries. Joseph ate a hot dog and French fries and join the similar ideas together. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. Or shows choice. Penguins slide or waddle. Next example. What would you prefer, an ice cream or a chocolate? Here choice is given between two things. We can choose any one thing. Is it Thursday or Friday today? We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. But shows difference. For example, he wanted to go to school. He was sick. He wanted to go to school, but he was sick. Next example, he wanted to buy a game. He didn't have any money. He wanted to buy a game, but he didn't have any money. But used to join two sentences. But joins two opposite ideas together. The mouse is small but runs fast. Sanjay is fair but Somu is dark. Here difference is given between Sanjay and Somu. We use because to explain the cause or reason of something. For example, Nishi was happy because she won the painting contest. Here, why Nishi was happy? Because she won the painting contest. A reason is given. Next example, Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early. Here, reason is given. Why Annie goes to bed early? Because Annie gets up early. I hope you understood conjunctions very well. Thank you.